skills that you need to separate you to be really, really good in tech sales. I like this one. This is one of the ones that I came across. What characterizes a top performer in technology sales? Good blog. Now, first of all, what is a top performer? What is a closer? Somebody who meets their goals. Somebody who challenges themselves to set goals. Somebody who has higher win rates, more chances at bat, meaning you're winning more as well too. That's what characterizes a top performer. They meet the sales goals. They have challenging sales goals. They may be required to bring in $2 million a quarter. They price at the top, and ultimately they end up winning. So let's get to the 6 differences between the best and the rest. Many of you want to get into tech sales. Many of you want to get into tech sales. Many of you are SDRs right now, and you're like, man, I'm ready to start making the big money. I need to level up. First of all, you need to level up. Go ahead and go to www.leveldcareers.com. Link it in the description. Sign up for the free introduction course. Level up your career. They are running their course right now for 50% off. Course is going to be dropped in February. Take advantage of the 50% off. You'll learn how to become a top performing sales closer, also known as an account executive, account manager, taught by one of the best tech sales instructors in the game today, Kevin Dorsey. If you wanted to break in sales, if you have never worked in sales, or if you're in high school looking to not go to college, or if you're in college and you want to get into sales, don't have any sales experience, check out Course Careers, www.coursecareers.com. Use Antoine50 for a discount. If you want an entry or get into sales at an entry level, which I advise many people to do, especially if they're younger, start at the entry level road, Course Careers. But if you are a professional who's been selling already, looking to make the transition into sales, check out Level Careers, okay? Now, the 6 greatest differences between the best and the rest. The best, what do? They're more likely to focus on their agenda. The best, they're more likely to present overall value to the company or to the customer. The best, they're really good at telling stories. The best, they get coaching from their leaders. The best, they're likely to change their habits.
What's up, ladder climbers? It's Antoine Wade. I wanted to interrupt this video to talk to you guys about Course Careers. Course Careers is the place that you guys need to go if you have a high interest into tech sales. They will help you gain the skills that you need so that you can enter the tech sales world to make a whole bunch of money. Tech sales salaries early on is about $60,000, guys. That's a good salary. And with OTEs, you can make anywhere from $85,000 to $90,000. If you have an interest in tech sales, check out Course Careers, link in the description. And don't forget to use Antoine50 so that you can get a $50 discount off of Course Careers. See you guys in tech sales.
To improve results, not the ones that's like Southwest waiting around, just sitting there and saying, I'm good. Nah, I don't need to advance. I don't need to level up. I don't need coaching. Life's good. The best, avoid distractions. Driving productivity, staying focused on their agenda, adapting their habits when needed, and remain focused so that there's no distractions. You need to get to 2 million. Get to the 2 million. All the other distractions, doing this, doing that. Nope. Focus on getting to the 2 million. The best, that's what they do. The best, effective coaching. They're seeking coaching from top performers. The best, even though they're really good, will choose to take the course that Level is offering and pay the money because that's another way that they can learn something. The best will get on the phone with a coach that's been doing this for some time and ask the right questions. They get the effective coaching. They get coaching from their sales managers. The best, they make a case for their product or the solution to influence buyers to make a decision. That's what the best does, guys. Let's talk about it again. They stay focused on their priorities. They make persuasive value cases. They tell good stories. They have solid coaching. They adapt their habits as needed. Things aren't working, change it. Things are working, let's improve. Oh, we got to do this. Avoid the distraction. I'm not doing that because I need to get to my number. That's what the best does, guys. You want to become a tech closer, a tech sales closer, check out Level Careers. You want to be the best, check out Level Careers. You want to start, you're thinking about tech sales, check out Course Careers, Antoine50, link in the description. You need coaching, book a coaching session with Black Heights. Book a coaching session with Black Heights. www.blkheights.com. You know what separates the best sales, tech sales from the rest now. You know what your call to action should be. It's a new year. Let's get to this money, guys. let's get to this money.